Welcome to another video. It's been a while, 4 weeks, 5 weeks, 6 weeks, I lost track. Since then I've been missing in action, spending lots of time in this building. Christmas season hit hard. We're doing about 100 signs or 100 orders a week. That's what we normally do per month. So yeah, production is stretched. Yeah, we have like no margin for errors. We're struggling, but we're keeping it alive. It's all good. All promised Christmas orders are en route and delivered. A few mix-ups with the postal service. Postal service has been super slow this season, but hopefully we'll get there in time. But yeah, so back to the important stuff. We decided to make a small donation to the local children's center here. For those who don't know the story about my daughter had an AVM, which is a brain bleed, about, when was it, a year ago? A little over a year ago. She had a brain bleed followed by a stroke. She spent several weeks at OU here in Oklahoma City in a coma, and then after she was released from the ICU and was released from OU, she spent 4 months at a rehab center here called the Children's Rehabilitation Hospital, I believe. Long name. Yeah, these guys are amazing. What they did for Sophia, what they did for us, financially and to Sophia, her well-being, it's incredible. And so we also received a lot of donations from you guys, from Germany, from America, from our church, from churches, from people from all over the United States, from all over the world. I mean, it's just mind-blowing. So we wanted to give back a little bit and pay it forward. So we ordered about 1,500 diapers and 4,000 wipes and a couple tubes of Desitin. That's the good stuff. And so today was delivery day, and to top it off, we decided to give them a nice little plaque. So the making of the plaque is coming right now, and then the delivery will follow up after that. Enjoy! Hey Sophia.
Yeah?
What are you doing?
Mama is getting up from school, and then we're going to the balcony and taking pictures.
Taking pictures?
Yes.
Yeah, what are you delivering? Are you delivering, hang on, that? Are you delivering those boxes back there?
Yes.
What's in the boxes?
Diapers.
Diapers? And you're gonna donate them?
Yes.
Yeah?
Yep.
Yep, no, that's awfully nice of you.
Yay.
Oh, yay, oh dang, we just sold something on Etsy, apologies. Alright, well, waiting for Philip. There's Philip coming over there.
I can't see him.
Right there, he's walking.
I can't see Philip.
Yeah, right there.